There's a nice little piece. Oh yeah. Nice striping on it. Oh yeah. That's cool. Yeah, I haven't been down here at all, so I'm not going to do it today, but I'll be back here.
And I did come back a few days later, and it was all ready to go, and I apparently had left my camera on the night before, and my battery was dead. So, being this is kind of the same spot, I thought, well, I'll use this footage and then I'll show you what I actually found at this place. And I probably went maybe 1,000 yards or so. So, yeah.
Wow, that's pretty nice. Big rock. Kind of dirty on this side, but yeah, that's pretty cool. I might have to pick that up another day. Bedrock all along there. Another kind of little sandbar thing over there. Kind of like that, Jasper. Okay, let's see, what do we got? No! Come on! Huh. sure what that is. This almost looks like a big piece of petrified wood. And I wouldn't be surprised. Yep, I'd say yes. It's that big. Kind of cool right there. See some reddish orange over here. Let's see if I can get it out. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Yeah. Put that in my pocket. Yeah, I'm gonna need a full day to walk this. Look between these rocks and stuff.
So here's the rocks I found, and this is nice, got some nice red in it. I think maybe the light with the camera, they didn't turn out so red, but this one's really red too, with some like probably quartz in there. That'll be really nice. I'd call this lightning jasper. Looks super nice cut. And this jasper has got some unusual patterns in it. So that'll be real interesting. And this rock is like the child of this bigger rock I found. It's just beautiful. And so is the big rock. Just beautiful. There's the big rock. And some assorted stuff. More jasper. This is probably petrified wood. Couple pieces. And this is some jasper that's, I think, kind of opalizing. I mean, agatizing. Not sure what this is, but it's definitely agatized. And Kind of cool. These ones I'll probably be able to make a pendant or two out of each of them. So if they don't turn out, they don't turn out. But if they do, it'd be nice. So that was my haul. One little agate. And I'll see you next time.